In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the numbers column. If you've ever wanted a clean, consistent way to track quantities, budgets, hours, or any other numeric detail in your table, the numbers column is the simplest tool for the job. It keeps your data precise, easy to scan, and ready for quick checks or comparisons without mixing in text that might cause confusion later. Let's start by adding the column. Look to the top or far right of your table and click the button labeled Plus Add Column. A menu will appear with different column types. From that list, select Numbers. That's it. The numbers column is now part of your board, ready to capture any numeric information you want to track. If you don't see the option immediately, scroll through the list or use the search box in the menu to find numbers. Now that the column is in place, entering your data is straightforward. Click into any cell within the numbers column and type a number. You can enter whole numbers like 12 or decimals like 12.5 depending on what you're tracking. Press Enter or Tab to move to the next item and keep your typing flow going. If you're updating a lot of rows, this rhythm makes it quick to work down the list. You can also paste numbers from a spreadsheet or another source, as long as each value lines up with the correct item. A few tips will help keep your numbers clean and useful. Stick to a consistent format. Choose whether you'll enter whole numbers or decimals, and use the same approach for all items. If you need to represent negative values, a simple minus sign works. Avoid adding symbols or extra text in these cells. For example, skip currency symbols or unit labels in the numbers column itself. Keep the column purely numeric so sorting and checking values stay accurate. If a value doesn't appear as expected, clear the cell and retype just the number, without commas or special characters. As you type, take a moment to glance over the column and confirm entries look reasonable. Catching a misplaced digit now is much faster than finding it later. And remember, the goal here is clarity. When each item has a precise number attached, it becomes easier to prioritize, estimate, and report. That's all there is to it. Add the numbers column, then type your numeric values directly for each item. With this simple structure in place, your data becomes more reliable and your decisions become faster.